Hi, welcome to another one of my tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a MySQL database and connect to that database using PHP. Okay, I'm in PHP on my localhost server. If you don't have a localhost, Google for this program. It's called XAMPP. It's spelled XAMPP. Google it, then click the first one, probably first thing that comes up, and then download that. It comes with PHP and a localhost and all this stuff. I'll make a tutorial on it if you want. Okay, now let's get on with making the database. First of all, you're going to want to open up PHP go to your database. My database is called Tut. Okay, table. I made a table. I'm making a table right now. Here we go. We want an ID. Okay, and that'll be an integer. And then index has to be primary. Auto infringement. So it goes up one by each user there is. Okay. Now we're gonna type username. Okay, varchar, and then you have to set a length and value. Let's just put that to 32. Okay, and that's all you have to do for that. Now password, and again varchar 32, because in my register script, we're going to have to encrypt our passwords so that no one can hack into your database and steal information. Okay? Sorry about that, the phone's ringing. I'll wait till someone else gets it. Okay, now we're going to want to do a title or a comment, whatever they want to do. We'll put signature, and we'll put that as a text, and that doesn't have a limit because it's unlimited, basically. Okay, now we're going to want to do date, so when you display the profile, it's going to show when they registered. Okay, then they have a date function right here. Okay, now what we want to do is just go or save, and there you go. You just made yourself a table. Now we're gonna insert some data into there. You don't need to put in an ID because it will automatically increment by 1. Okay. Username, I'll put Brian because that's my name. Password, I'll put just password for the tutorial. Signature, this is my signature. And then do just blah 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 blah. Just a little spam in there. Okay, date. PHP has this neat date feature where you go to the calendar, you click that, and today's the 14th. Okay, now that's about it. So click go, and then you can click browse, and here we go. Okay, there's ID is 1. Okay, username Brian, password. Okay, this is my signature and all that, and then the date. See, I was in year, month, day. Okay, now that we've created our table and database, let's start with the PHP coding. Open up your coding browser. Okay. Now I'm going to open, oh no, sorry, new, save, and if you're on a Mac, it's going to be under applications, go down to XAMPP, HTDocs, this is where you store all your websites, okay, I made a folder called TUT for tutorials, okay, let's save it as connect.php, hit enter, okay, now let's go into our browser. Connect.php, see nothing's there yet. Now we'll go over here, go back, put in our PHP codes, or tags, sorry. Okay, now we're going to start the coding. Okay, I'm going to make a variable called connect. A variable, I'll make a tutorial on it later, sorry about that. Connect equals MySQL sorry, this always mixes me up. It's either connect or query. We'll use connect for now. Okay. You're gonna want 3 values in here. 1 is for the host. If you're using XAMPP, it's localhost. Localhost, okay. And if you, okay, the username is root, okay. And the password is none, okay. I'll just write a note under here. Host, comma, name, and password, just so you can keep that in your, if you ever forget, okay? Let's just move that up. Okay, then MySQL query. Oh no, sorry. MySQL select DB, and that selects the database of what you're referring to, and it is tut. Okay. Another way you could do this is create variables. Sorry, I'm running out of time. I'll explain this next tutorial, but I'll just save this out, see if there's any errors. Okay, go back up here, and you see that there's no errors. Okay, now we go back into our code, and just to test this, I'm going to create a variable called test equals testing. Okay, now I'm going to echo that out. Echo test. Let's save that out and come back here and look at that. It says testing right here because we echoed it out. Okay, thanks for watching another one of my videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. See you next time.